Hi everyone. This video explains the purpose of local bibliographic data, or LBD, and how to create and edit it using WorldShare Record Manager. Local bibliographic data allows you to add institution-specific subject headings, uniform titles, and notes to WorldCat records, and view this information in WorldCat Discovery at your institution's custom web address. For local bibliographic data to display in WorldCat Discovery, you or someone at your institution will need to log into OCLC Service Configuration and enable this option. Navigate to Service Configuration at worldcat.org/config and sign in. On the left navigation panel, select WorldCat Discovery and WorldCat Local, then the item detail settings. Expand the panel, select Data Sources, and check the box to use local bibliographic data options. Click Save to store the setting. Then on the left navigation, select Local and Enhanced Content. And check Enable Visibility of Local Bib Data along with WorldCat Bib Data on the detailed record page. And then click Save Changes. In Record Manager, you can edit existing local bibliographic data. You can also create new LBD. First, I'll edit existing LBD on a WorldCat record. I'll scroll down to the area below the bibliographic record, and if the LBD section is not already open, I can click to expand it. In this example, the subject heading has a typo. It should be "and" with an E. So I'll correct it by changing it to ANNE. This is the only change I need to make, so I'll click Save. To see this record in WorldCat Discovery, I'll select the Record menu and then select View in WorldCat Discovery. This is how the LBD for this local subject heading displays in WorldCat Discovery. Note the typo is now corrected and is displaying Queen and with an E correctly. And the 500 field in the LBD displays as Notes, Local data. Next, I want to add new local bib data to a WorldCat record. Let's say I want to add a note specifying where to find the discussion on Fort Worden State Park, which may be important to my local users. I'll scroll to the bottom of the record and click Add LBD Record. Some of the system-supplied fields will be added first. I'll type 500. Fort Worden State Park is discussed on page 27 to 43 of this book. I also want to add a subject heading, so I'll click the plus sign to add another field. I'll enter 651, Fort Worden State Park, Port Townsend, Washington. Note that I can do a manual validation, or I can just click Save if I'm finished adding fields and editing. When I do that, the system will do an automatic validation before saving. So I'll click Save. And the system finds a validation error. Just as in editing the WorldCat record, I can use Mark Field Help to look up the correct indicator value for the 651 for an LC subject heading. To do that, I'll right-click and select Field Help and then Mark Field Help. And Bib Formats and Standards opens in another window. And I can see that for 651 the second indicator should be 0. I'll add 0 for the second indicator, and then click Save. Next, I'll select the Record menu and then select View in WorldCat Discovery. And this is how the record with LBD displays in WorldCat Discovery. The note displays and the subject heading I added as LBD is searchable in my local catalog. If you need additional help, please visit help.oclc.org for documentation, training, and contact information for OCLC support in your region. Thanks for watching.